In the digital home store, a retail example here of digital experience, again, being the glue or the one view to a customer here at the digital store, but tying into lots of different back-end systems to really provide all the things a customer would need. So we get started here. You see again a very rich type website using web content management. It comes with digital experience, but the power comes in too when I start tying in the commerce application and viewing that from the store. So a potential customer would come here and might click on some kitchen and dining things they might want to buy, and they start seeing some different products here. So what these products are actually being pulled from the back-end commerce server, but being served up in this rich content environment of digital experience. And the way that's done is there are out-of-the-box parts that are available to the commerce server that just plug right into the digital experience. So if I come right into this little plus sign, it shows me what I want to access. So I'm looking at all of the WebSphere commerce components. So again, I can start doing things like wish lists and my orders and checkout profile and search. So all the different things you might want to do for products are available right here in my pull-out list. And we've also have something called DDE, Data Digital Extender, that will actually let you then create your own add-on parts to pull in that commerce information. And that's actually what we've done right here, is we've used some of this digital data connector, DDC, and we've made out these parts that pulls all the commerce catalogs. And the power is I can take this existing part and I can add other services to it. So for example, I'm interested in some Twitter sentiment about these different products. So we're using a Bluemix Cloudverse sentiment product, and we just use some JavaScript, and now I can now point to a product and find out what the Twitter, and 100% people love the Tri-Blade vegetables. But if you go over here to look at the Easy Flex 3-piece silicone spatula, not so much. So again, I'm using commerce as a back end to feed my experience for my products where I can buy it and view it. And then I'm also pulling Bluemix Cloud Services that ties Twitter sentiment and brings that in here, so I now know that there's really no one has actually tweeted about the rolling pin yet. I don't think people use rolling pins anymore, so maybe that's what it's there for. So again, the digital experience was able to take sentiment from Twitter, product information from commerce, rich content, and put it all together in one spot for you. Next, we're going to do some integration with the Internet of Things, another Bluemix type service that can track Internet of Things. In this case, we're going to actually track drone delivery that's being done by the digital home store. So we come in here, again, a very rich content site. You can check out, your credit card, your wish lists, registry policies. But the new thing that the digital store has done is added drone delivery. So basically, it's come up here and ask me to share my location. So it has a map up here, and then I'm actually going to track the drone that should be coming to my house. So basically, we're going out to Bluemix in the back end, where we've actually put the drone is actually feeding its logistics into Bluemix, and then we use mapping technology to put that all on a map here. So again, a very robust application being served up by the digital experience, but pulling many different things from tracking, mapping, and drones all together. So if you want to see how this was actually put together real quick here, we can just go into edit mode. Again, this is the script part that comes with digital experience. It allows you then to start viewing the different JavaScript components that are out there and all the different parts that came from Bluemix to actually superimpose it in a map. So again, it's a very WYSIWYG type tool, so actually you can work on this and quickly integrate basically any type of backend system, especially the ones from Bluemix from IBM and the Watson services. It's very easy now to take that type of an application and integrate it right into the application right here that we're showing for drone tracking. Again, share my location, and then voila, I can now view the phone, and then there's my actual drone being tracked that's out there.